Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to enter into practice mode or training mode on Nintendo Switch for Fortnite game. So if you want to play right for Fortnite into practice mode, you can easily do that. For that, right, just choose this change button. For that I need to choose Y. So Y, actually in Fortnite we can use the touch screen as well. And here, right, we need to tap this creative. Tap this creative. Accept. We need to enter the island code in order to reach this practice mode or training mode in Fortnite. So here, right, I need to tap on this play button. So now you will have three options. We need to select the server. Now I need to select this island code, entering it. Here I need to provide the 12-digit island code. So tapping it. This is an island code for practice mode. So tapping OK. Super. Island code is found, which is created by GREEKSWORDD. So I'm going to launch this. I'll be providing this island code on the descriptions. You can copy that and tapping it. Launch. Now I need to tap play. But I'm getting error. I'm getting matchmaking error. But that is a workaround. We can enter into practice mode. You should be in creative mode. Then tap on play. This time we need to select this create server. So launch it. So now we are in temperate island. So on creative mode. Here, right, just go here. Just go to any of this console. So we need to reach this console and we need to point it. So to give the input on this console, we need to press Y. See this Y options. So Y. So now I need to enter the practice mode island code. So same thing, tapping it. So 832585326926 is the island code for practice mode. Entering it. OK. So island found. Accept it. So we need to wait for some time. Here, right, it is showing loading. It is actually changing the destinations. So destination is changed. You can see this practice mode. And now I need to enter into that. That's it. Now you can see this GREEKSWORDD island code. Super cool. Now we are in practice mode. Here we can do the practice. This map is made for you to improve as a competitive player. This map will help you with your aiming, hitting and building. So in order to start the game, I need to press the start game. Super cool. Practice mode game has been started here. So now I can choose this practice mode here. See, easy, hard, medium and insane. So you can now start the practicing here. You can try to build. Good job. Now use the launchpad to get back to spawn. So here I'm gonna. Wow, super cool. So here you can do the free builds. Here you can do this shooting practice. Super cool. And then here, right, wall share editing against opponent. So that's it. So this is the way you can enter into practice mode. You can learn how to build, how to create the wall. So how to create the ramp. You can learn everything in this practice mode sections. So okay, that's it friends. Definitely this video will be very much helpful to you. Thank you so much friends. Bye. Take care.